Now I am going to perform experiment number 25. This is the last experiment of this identification test and the our subject. Okay. The title of this experiment is the identification test for ammonium chloride. The sample is ammonium chloride. We have to perform the identification test for ammonium chloride. Chemical formula for ammonium chloride is NH4Cl. Okay, this is the formula for ammonium chloride, and molecular weight is 53.44. The organoleptic properties for this compound is given. Nature is a crystals or crystalline powder, color colorless or white, and odor is odorless. After that we have to check the solubility as per this chart. Okay, then standard is given for ammonium chloride, which contain not less than 99% and not more than 100.5% of an ammonium chloride. ठीक है. कैटेगरी है इसकी एक्सपेक्टोरेंट, डायूरेटिक एंड सिस्टेमिक एसिडिफायर. ओके, सी द apparatus required for to perform these identification tests are test tube stand, graduate pipettes and litmus paper. Chemicals are also given here: ammonium chloride, sodium hydroxide, light magnesium oxide 0.1 molar, hydrochloric acid, methyl red solution, and freshly prepared 10% weight by volume solution of sodium cobalt nitride and diphenyl carbazide solution, dilute ammonia solution, dilute nitric acid, potassium dichromate and sulfuric acid. Stepwise procedure also given here. First of all we have to perform physical test, matlab we know the about organoleptic properties, its nature, color and odor, and also solubility. ठीक है. We have to perform solubility test in different solvent. Here given is water and ethanol. So compound is freely soluble in water and sparingly soluble in ethanol. For freely soluble, chart the solution quantity given is solvent quantity given is 1 to 10 ml and sparingly for 30 to 100 ml. Okay. Here identification procedure are given. Total 4 identification tests we have to perform one by one, and we have to write their observation and result. Okay, see the observation table. Physical test is given, then identification test, test A, test B, test C and test D. You have to write here observation and inference. Then after that those tests are complex, you have to write here, and those not complete you have to write here. Then solve any 5 questions from these questions as an assignment. Total 8 questions are given here. Okay, you have to solve any 5 questions. Okay, so start the practical. See, first of all we have to perform physical test. Observe this sample of ammonium chloride, which is having chemical formula NH4Cl and molecular weight 53.44, which having nature crystal or crystalline powder. Okay, see it is like crystal, and having color white, or you can say colorless, and odor is odorless. Now I am going to check the solubility in water and ethanol. Okay, it is freely soluble in water means we have required 1 to 10 ml of solvent, that is water, to dissolve the ammonium chloride. And for sparingly soluble, it required 30 to 100 ml of ethanol. So I have taken here 1 to 2 ml of water. I have added 1 gram of solute ammonium chloride, and I am going to dissolve it. Okay, see this is, so see solution become clear. Okay, means this is freely soluble in water. Okay, now I am going to check the solubility in ethanol. I have taken 1 gram of solute, that is ammonium chloride, and I am going to add first of all 30 ml ethanol. For sparingly soluble, it required 30 to 100 ml of ethanol. Okay, see it is not going to dissolve. I have taken total 30 ml ethanol. So ammonium chloride is sparingly soluble in ethanol. I have taken 30 to 100 ml of solvent and it is not getting totally dissolved. Okay, see it is the solubility test for water and ethanol. I have taken here sodium hydroxide solution and I am going to add few mg of ammonium chloride and I am going to heat this solution. After heating it evolve the gas which is through which ammonia is evolved, and we can assume by its smell and those if gases evolve, we can make litmus paper which turns to blue. Okay, see it getting blue colored because ammonia is basic in nature. Okay, and this red litmus paper getting turns to blue. Okay, see you can observe it. Okay, I have taken solution of ammonium chloride. In that I am going to add 0.2 gram of magnesium oxide. Okay, so we have to pass the current through this mixture. The gas evolved through this mixture, then we have to add 0.1 ml of 0.1 molar HCl and 0.05 ml of methyl red solution. After adding methyl red solution, color changes to yellow. Okay, I am adding here 1 ml of freshly prepared solution of sodium cobaltinite and yellow colored PPT is formed. See this yellow colored PPT is formed here. Okay, I have taken 0.1 gram of substance and I am going to add 2 ml of water. Okay, then I am going to acidify this solution with dilute nitric acid. So I am adding here litmus paper blue. If it going to change color in red, then it will be in acidic. Okay, so litmus paper getting changed to red means the solution become acidic. After that I am going to add 0.5 ml of silver nitrate solution. Shake and allow to stand. Okay, curdy white PPT form there which is insoluble in nitric acid. So I am going to add again nitric acid. It get insoluble. After being well washed with water in dilute ammonia solution, form which is reprecipitated by the addition of dilute nitric acid. Okay, after adding water it get washed out PPT. See, after adding water PPT get washed out means removed. Again if I am going to add ammonia solution, PPT in presence of dilute nitric acid, PPT will be again formed. This is the third test. So first I have taken here 0.5 gram of ammonium chloride and then I have added 0.2 gram of potassium dichromate and 1 ml sulfuric acid. The filter paper I have put here which is moistened with diaphenyl carbazide solution over the beaker. I am not taking a test tube because which is hazardous. Then the fumes which is evolved, because of that the filter paper get violet red colored. Okay, see some particles getting red. Okay, because of gas which is evolved and which is passed through the filter paper which is moist by 0.1 ml diaphenyl carbazide solution. Okay, this is the fourth identification test for ammonium chloride. Here our experiment get over. Thank you.